Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing an introduction to Python. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, about Python. Python is a widely used high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Its syntax is clean and close to English, which makes it much easier and also beginner-friendly. It can also be used for web development, for data analysis, for artificial intelligence, aka AI, automation, and more. Alright, why use Python? Because Python is easy to learn, it looks like English. We can make fun stuff with it, like we can make games, we can make apps, and we can also make bots. And there's lots of help online, which means a big community which is there to help you. And it also makes learning other languages easier, like Java, C++. So yeah, you kind of get the hang of it, and it'll actually make learning other languages easier. Alright, what are the benefits of learning Python? So right now we're going to be diving into the educational benefits. Alright, so first of all, it improves problem solving and logical thinking. Secondly, it boosts performance in math and science. And thirdly, it prepares for STEM, STEM competitions and robotics. And fourthly, it makes learning other languages easier. Alright, now we're going to be exploring the career benefits of learning Python. Alright, first of all, it's a high demand skill in tech, early freelancing and small project income. Years of head start, which means if you start like programming at my age, then there's higher pay later for you, which means because you're gonna have more experience, which means higher pay. And fourthly, global and remote job opportunities. Alright, now let's explore the personal benefits of learning Python. Alright, first of all, it builds creativity and confidence. It turns ideas into real projects. It automates boring tasks. And we can also join a huge global coding community. Alright, so guys, what does Python teach us? Python helps new coders think logically and solve problems. We can write clean and readable code. We can also explore many tech fields like AI, data, web, games, automation. Okay, alright guys, so how to create a Python file? It's time to learn. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna head over to the VS Code or Visual Studio Code, and then here I already created one, so let's just delete this one. Alright, to create a new file, we just hover on the file, and then we click on New File, and then here we're gonna type Python file, and here it's already written. Alright, now we're gonna start writing like a code. For example, print hello. Now once you've done writing a code like print hello, like this one, we're gonna run it. And yeah, as you can see, it's gonna tell us to name whatever we want for our file. So we can name it like code. So our file or our project is named code. And once we run it, it's gonna output hello in the console. Alright, so right now we just saw the Python, the print function, but now we're gonna dive deeper into it. Alright, so print function is actually used to display text, numbers, or results in the console. For example, just like how I wrote here, I wrote print hello, but here in the example, it says print hello world. So yeah, it's actually in Java, you have to write system.out.println, blah blah blah, like it's too long. And you also have to end it with a semicolon. There's no need for that. Just write simply print, parentheses, double quotation marks, hello world, or whatever text you want. And then no semicolons needed and very simple syntax. Alright, and now we're going to be doing a mini live demo of input and output in Python. So basically this program shows how Python can interact with the user, and it combines input and print in one program. Alright, so we're not going to be really diving deeper into the input. I'm going to be covering the input function like more deeper in another video. So here we're just using it as an example. So just like how I wrote here, so we can just write name. It's actually just a variable name. So name is equal to input, like we can do hello. Input, wait a minute, sorry, my bad. What is your name? We're just gonna use the exact same example that I wrote in the presentation. And now name is equal to input, what is your name? And then here we're gonna write print my name is, and then here we're gonna write plus name. Yeah, that's it. My name is comma. My name is name. So once we run this program, it's gonna ask us, what is my name? My name is Umer. So we're gonna write Umer. My name is Umer. Or we could actually write just your name, which sounds much better. So your name, what is your name? Umer. And your name is Umer. Voila, you can even type your own name and it's just gonna end up printing out whatever name you typed in. So yeah, this is pretty cool. But I'm gonna be explaining deeper input, what it does and what it actually is in another video. Alright. So what is an object in Python? An object is something created from a class. So class cat, blueprint, and so basically the class cat is a blueprint. Here, look, here's the example. It's a blueprint, and then the define meow self is actually a method on the object. We're gonna dive deeper in methods later and objects later, in another video as well. But this is just an example of what is an object. Meow, print meow. So this basically shows meow in the output, and this creates the object, and here we call the method meow. All right. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this tutorial. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.